Welcome to Freedom Boat Club Lake Norman. For the next few minutes, we'll be demonstrating how to complete a deep cleaning of one of our vessels. Deep cleaning is a more detailed and intentional cleansing of the boat, focusing on removing and preventing buildup on all surfaces, ensuring all safety equipment is on board and functional. Above all, deep cleanings are a vital aspect of maintaining the quality of our product to the high standards we pride ourselves on. First step is to gather all of your cleaning supplies and have them laid out for you. Next step is to remove all safety equipment and make sure they are clear from the pathway so that other tenants of the docks can still get to their boats.
Right, hey, I'm Anderson. I'm one of the dock masters here at Freedom Boat Club Lake Norman. The next step for deep cleaning one of these vessels is actually going to be to take that engine cover off right there and check the engine oil. We're actually going to explain that in a different video. Alright, so the next step is going to be to wash a rub rail up all the way around the boat and then also the anchor box. This is a very commonly missed area, so you want to be sure to hit that. The next step is going to be to open every single seat and all the compartments. And what you want to do is get your sponge and soap, and you want to do the whole top, the cup holders, the speaker, and the inside, all the way where every single little bit of exposed area is. So for this next step, we're going to go over a very common problem that we have here in a boat club. And that common problem is sunscreen buildup on the seats. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this Simply Green material right here and a hand scrub brush, and you're just going to spray it all over the seats, and then scrub the whole thing. Alright, so your next step is going to be you get your Magic Clean eraser, and you're going to want to get all these scuff marks that are on the inside. So we're already done. You get a little wet, and you just rub them away. So after you've gone through with the Magic Eraser and erased those black shoe marks, you're going to want to get your sponge and soap again, and you're going to wash those same inner surfaces. So before you start this next step, you're going to want to install all your electronic covers. And then also your USB and aux imports. Then you're going to want to soak the bottom and the top of the windshield, and also the dash. You want to be sure you're not getting too much water on the dash. Because of the electronic instruments in the dash, you're not going to want to put too much pressure on it with all the water. So you're going to want to stand back with your pressure washer and do a light soak. When you're doing your deep clean, you want to include in the washing the engine well and the engine cowling, so the whole boat gets completely washed. Near the end of the deep cleaning process, you're going to want to grab 303 aerospace protectant and apply it to all of the vinyl. It is important to reapply it to the vinyl because it was stripped off in the vinyl cleaning process. You're going to want to spray it to the rag to prevent overspray. So towards the end of your deep clean, you're going to want to grab the Star Bright deck cleaner and the scrub brush, and now you're going to focus on the floor.
Now there are a few differences between bow riders and pontoons. We'll take a minute to go over them. All pontoons have an anchor holder attached to the bow. Clay buildup here is common. We're going to take the power washer and wash the locker, anchor, and line. Mold tends to build up on the seam between all of the seats and the deck on all pontoons. And so we're going to take the power washer and blast that seam throughout the entire boat to remove all mold and mildew. Now only on double deckers, we're going to take the power washer and blast the underside of the upper deck to remove all the mold buildup that accumulates over time. Now instead of washing the rub rail up, we're going to take the soap and sponge and wash the entire playpen inside and out. And on double deckers only, we're going to take that sponge and wash the support beams for the upper deck. That is the conclusion of our demonstration today. Again, we want to emphasize the importance of this process. Maintaining product quality is of highest value. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to ask either Anderson, Zach, or Brad. Thank you for your time, and we will see you on the docks.